Hello everyone, and this is Andy.Liu. We are now in Suzhou, the headquarters of the TSUN. From TSUN since 2019, but the co-member and the management team and also myself working in this industry for more than 15 years. Our mission is make renewable energy safety, powerful, and affordable. We have a slogan, make energy flexible. And at our microinverter, we have a slogan, make safety affordable. And for energy, for storage, we have a slogan, make energy efficient. And thank all our partners, our customers, and also the end users. Welcome you, come to our factory to see our team, to see our product line, and also to see our coming new building. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, this is Victor Segato. I'm from Brazil and I'm part of TSUN. I started working in TSUN in 2022. As you know, my friend said before, this company was founded in 2019. And I'm the head of the operation all the Latin America. It's a pleasure to be here in TSUN as this company always bringing innovation products for PV plants, in special for rooftops with microinverters. We do believe microinverter is the present and it's the future for the PV market. As it works in low voltage, you can monitor model by model, it's easy to install, and it's a very affordable solution. So we have all the solutions from 300 watts up to 6 kilowatts. We are the company that has the highest range of output power. We are here today as we want to show our factory to our partners. We know that Suzhou is very far from many clients in Europe, Latin America. So we want to show you who we are, our people, our projects, our production, our workshop. So welcome to this day's special video, and I hope you can watch this up to the end. Basically, we have three production lines, one for easy solar kits, another one for microinverters, and another one starting now with storage and hybrid microinverters. So you can have the best of the microinverter with the best of the storage all in one in your home. So let's go. Let's visit this company together. Thank you. Okay, here we are on the aging test area. As you can see, we have several machines here and 100 of microinverters. It stays for 5 hours under different test conditions. So we make sure every piece that goes to Brazil, Germany, and all the countries have been tested here in TSUN. This test takes about 5 hours in different conditions, and all the information of the test keeps saved here. So this way, we make sure our final clients will be happy with our quality. Okay, now we are here in the middle of TSUN's workshop in Suzhou. We have here the PCB checking. We verify the quality of every component, every connection, DC, AC, the Wi-Fi antenna, and everything. After the PCB is assembled, we take the products for the potting. And finally, after the potting, we check again 100% of the products in the aging test for 4 to 5 hours. Then finally, we'll have the packet and the labels for each customer for each counter. We do have here 5 potting machines. The potting is very necessary on the microinverters as we protect the components, improving the heat dissipation and protecting the components against different environments. Remember that all the microinverters from TSUN are IP67.